In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract stems in FADR. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to, of course, create your account or just sign in if you have one already, and then hover over Create up top left over here and click on Stems. Now, over here, as you can see, this will basically allow you to upload songs here, so just go ahead and upload your song. I have a sample song here. I can just drag and drop it, and it's going to start uploading, and whenever that's done, you'll be able to see it's basically going to go ahead and then extract our stems. So here it's currently doing its magic, and this usually takes a few seconds to up to a few minutes, depending on, of course, how long your song is. And there we go. As you can see, it's already done it. And to actually extract these, you can just go ahead and do download stems here, and then you can select whichever ones you want, click on download stems, and you're good to go. You've successfully extracted stems in FADR. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.